It's important to note that as you start these bottom bolts on the H bracket on either side, as you draw them down, that's going to affect the alignment of the holes that hold the plinth in place. Because initially I started to torque this side down a little bit more, and I noticed that this hole, the whole H bracket, has shifted counterclockwise. So when I loosened these and I tightened up these, and I noticed that the H bracket then came back into alignment. So be mindful of that when you're torquing down the bottom H bracket bolts. I wouldn't torque them down tight initially, but just to maintain alignment such that you can get everything else engaged properly.